Morning everyone. I'm going to sound very snuffly today. I'm not sure if it's a cold or if it's hay fever or what's going on. So my sinuses on one side of my face just feels like my face is going to explode at the minute. But there we go. This video is to show you what else I've done with what I have left from the kit. I've also got more things left from the Mermaid monthly kit. Like I did say initially on the unboxing, it comes with a lot of stuff, so you can make a lot of cards. So you saw 5 that I made previously. That was just purely using like the basics of adhesive, scissors and paper trimmer. Now this is bringing in some of my own dies and my own stamps, and a bit of bling on one of them as well. So I'll go through them. These two are the same. No, they're not. These two are the same, and they are masked, stamped, and the ephemera that comes in the pack. I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but there's like kind of dots on there as well. It's the bokeh, is it bokeh technique that I've used on those, so that's them two. This is another one that I've done, and I've blended the background, masked and stamped on here, and masked and stamped the shells on the back, and then used the ephemera. This is done using from BB Crafts, using their edging dies to make the waves. So I've just cut the paper that come in the kit and stuck the mermaids in a mermaid's tail and put catch a wave. This one I've used the sequins that come in the kit. I've used the paper and the background of the shaker from the kit, and I've used the die that come with the kit to cut out the mermaid. And I've used my own stamps on the background. This one, I've used a fishtail that was actually part of the packaging from the kit. I've die cut out 2 circles, stamped sending a sea full of love. I've used the washi tape out of the kit, and I've used my own stamps to stamp the background. This one is my least favourite card. I don't know what I was doing with them gems, but I seem to have gone crazy with them. So I've cut out the paper from the kit, backed it, I've stamped Seize the Day, back that, stuck gems on, which I've just gone completely overboard with. I don't know what I was thinking. I've also done blended stencil that the mermaid's on, and the mermaids from the kit. And this one is a shaker, and I've used the papers in the shaker part from the kit, the sequins are from the kit, and the mermaids obviously from the kit as well. And I've built like a little scene using again those dies from BB Crafts, the edging dies to make the sand dunes. I've just noticed I've got, what's that on there? Well, we can easily sort that out. We'll stick something over there. We'll stick a shell over there. There you go. That'll mask that. So that's my shaker card, and that's more cards that I've done with the kit. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 plus I did the 5 before, and we still have loads left. We do still have loads left, as well as I still haven't touched these yet. Those are gorgeous. Still not touched those yet. And I haven't touched them yet. And I haven't touched them yet. I've got absolutely loads still. The only thing that I'm running short of now is the paper, which I will bring my own paper in, because I've got all these gorgeous embellishments to use that I haven't used yet. So as you can see, I've made what, 8 plus 5, 13, so I've made 13 cards. I've still got loads more to go at to make more cards. You really, it is value for money, because you get so much. I can't stress how much you get in this box. You get so much. And don't forget, you've got your die as well, your mermaid die. So you can do absolutely loads of cards with your mermaid die, because that's yours. Obviously it comes in the kit, so you can do absolutely loads of these like shaker cards like that with your mermaid cut out, and loads of different designs. Right, I hope that's okay. I hope it's inspired, if you've brought the kit, some ideas what to do with the kit. And thank you for watching, and goodbye. Bye.